OpenAI Agents SDK. The OpenAI Agents SDK is an open-source, lightweight framework that lets developers build and orchestrate agentic AI operation systems, where multiple AI agents work together to perform computer multi-step tasks autonomously. Core concepts: agents. These are large language models, LLM, that are pre-configured with specific instructions, access to tools, like web search or file retrieval, and even safety guardrails. Agents can generate responses and decide which tool to call based on the context. Hands-off. One of the SDK's powerful feature is the ability to delegate tasks between agents. If one agent encounters a problem in task, it can hands off that task to another agent, which is specialized on that task. Guardrails. There are built-in safety checks that validate input and outputs, ensuring that the agent operates within defined parameters and reducing risks associated with automation tracing and observability. The SDK includes integrated to visualize and debug the flow of an agent's actions. This is particularly useful for monitoring complex workflows and optimizing performance. Key features: Python. First, design. The SDK is designed to integrate naturally with Python. Developers can quickly set up agents, define the tools they can use, even correctly Python functions into callable tools. Built-in agent loop. When you run an agent with the SDK, it automatically enters a loop where it sends a prompt to LLM, checks if any tools need to be invoked, handles handoffs between agents, repeat until a final output is produced. Interoperability. Although built to work with OpenAI's own models and other APIs, the Agents SDK is flexible enough to work with any model provider that supports the chat completions API format. Simplified multi-agent workflows. It allows the creation of complex systems where one agent might perform research while another handles customer support tasks. Each agent is working in tandem to achieve a common goal. Real-world applications. Enterprises use the SDK to build AI-powered assistants that can, for instance, pull real-time data via web search, access internal documents using file search, and even interact with computer interfaces. This is making agents practical for industries like customer support, legal search, finance, and more. Swarm. Think of a swarm like a team of intelligent bots. Each bot, called an agent, has its own job or specialty, and they collaborate to complete a bigger goal, just like how a swarm of bees works together in a hive. In the Agents SDK, a swarm is created when you want multiple agents to cooperate. Each agent can handle part of the problem. They can share tools, pass messages, and build on each other's work. Example: if you're building an app to write a research paper, one agent can gather facts, another can write the introduction, another can format the document. All of them are part of a swarm that works on the same goal. Why use OpenAI Agents SDK? 1. Tool using agents made easy. You can give GPT agents access to tools like web search file systems, APIs, databases, custom functions, your own code. Agents can call tools on their own when needed, like a human using Google or a calculator. 2. Multi-agent collaboration. You can create swarms of agents that specialize in different tasks, communicate with each other, share tools, work together on complex goals. Great for multi-step workflows like planning trips, coding apps, or managing business processes. 3. Simple, fast prototyping. You can quickly build agents with just a few lines of Python built-in support for memory, state, tools, and messaging. No need to build your own agent framework from scratch. 4. OpenAI GPT Native. It's designed for GPT-4 and GPT-4.0, meaning best reasoning performance, optimized tool usage and conversation memory, integration with OpenAI's APIs. 5. State plus memory management agents can remember what they've done, what tools they've used, what outcomes happened. Enables smart decision-making over time, like recalling past steps or retrying failed ones. Use cases: AI customer support agents, coding assistants, research summarizers, data entry bots, workflow automation agents that use external APIs, e.g. Stripe, ship engine, etc. OpenAI agents, SDK benefits. Here are the key benefits of using the OpenAI agents. SDK, one tool using AI agents. Agents can autonomously decide when and how to use tools like APIs, functions, or databases. Tools can be anything: search, weather, payment APIs, e.g., Stripe, shipping, e.g., Ship Engine, or your custom logic. You don't just prompt the model. You give it tools to act in the real world. 2. Multi-agent collaboration, swarms. You can create multiple agents that work together, passing messages, dividing tasks, and solving complex goals. Agents can specialize, e.g., planner, coder, reviewer, like a team of AI workers collaborating to finish a job. 3. Memory and state management agents maintain context and memory across interactions. You don't need to manage long prompts. The SDK handles it for you. Your agents remember past steps, tasks, and tool results. 4. Easy tool integration. Add tools with just a few lines of code. Tools are called via natural language by the agent, no hard-coded logic. You define the function. The agent figures out when and how to use it. 5. Rapid prototyping. Build full-featured AI apps with very little code, useful for startups, demos, and internal tools. Get from idea to working prototype in minutes, modular and scalable. Each agent is modular, making it easy to plug and play. You can build systems with planners, sub-agents, evaluators, etc. Scales from simple bots to complex AI workflows.